But how many liters are you then spraying?
So we normally, most aerial application is either 2 gallons or 3 gallons, which would be 7.8, liters per, 7.6 to it'd be 7.8 to 8.6 liters per acre.
So plus minus 8 liters per acre times 2. So let's say 15 liters per hectare, plus minus, okay?
Okay.
So aerial applications where we're from basically go at 30 liters per. So you're looking at an aeroplane, or that's they register at 30 liters per hectare. Do you then, when you spray that, do you spray inside of the label, or is it outside of the label recommendations?
So we spray everything by label, and it is registered. And for we'll say you're 15 liters per hectare, and so yes, and that is 100% legal. And here's the thing that we're finding, not from Pegasus, not from sorry, I hit the mic on you, but what we find is that we are actually finding that the drones perform better than planes or even ground rigs at their higher volume application, which has been a major hurdle. Because a lot of farmers were resistant, to make that change, because they were worried less volume meant that they would get less, results. And we're finding the exact opposite. The concentration of the product on the plant, being at a higher level, is giving us better results. And that's, being verified by the universities and by seed companies and chemical companies across the country right now.
That's really, really interesting. And at the end of the day, theoretically, because of and you're not the first person that has told me this, their personal experience is, I want to say, the efficacy of the drone application is better than you get with just the aeroplane with the gravity sinking in, because you get that blowing action almost. Right. Yep. that gives you that penetration and so forth. Where could you foresee that by using drones, eventually doing enough research and so forth, we can even reduce the amount of chemicals that we need to put down just because of the efficacy of the drone?
I truly believe that, and we're actually already seeing universities are testing, especially on insecticide application, where they can do a heavy concentration on border passes, allowing us not to have to spray entire fields. But I also think that you'll see, and we already have some countries that are approving lower application rates, all the way down to 4 liters, and they're getting effective use. And as we continue to grow, and as the industry continues to grow, I think we'll have our chemical companies support us more around the variable rate application, and I think the drones will be able to excel in that market. And today, I will tell you that drones are really designed for broad acres, and just because of battery life. But as we continue to improve on battery life, I think that you'll see that variable rate application become, and I think it'll be key. And I think that's going to make the biggest difference, because if you can save on chemicals and you can get better results, and the money is there for the farmer, and then the return on investment for a drone is going to be amazing.
It really then becomes a no-brainer at the end of the day in terms of just having that drone available. So